This little software solution shows how something like a color wheel in WPF. So this is the solution which is running on a WPF application. The code is written in C#, and what I present you there is the code. You may find that code on my website, and it's a way of creating a color wheel, and color wheels are usually for selecting a color in an application. So this color wheel, what does it do? The software draws line when you have a user control like this, and a rectangle. So there's in here my WPF application, and there's a canvas, and the button says, okay, draw that stuff inside that canvas. And what it does, as soon as it comes in, it draws those lines, and then it says, okay, run the solution runs from the entire from this entire block. So it takes it draws always lines into the middle of this application, into the center, and it starts here with red, and then it goes to RGB, so red, green. It comes here with a green block, and then it goes to the blue block, and this is like this one. And you see that in the colors are the software calculates the distance when it comes from this area. So the software calculates, it starts here with the red color, and follows then the line from here to there, and draws always, it shifts a little bit less of those RGB values. What is an RGB value? The RGB value is written in here. So first it calculates the line itself, where to draw, and then it creates the color, and it says, okay, the more you go from the red block, then you should change this value from this is a byte value from 0 to 255, and then it takes in this area it takes this block from 0 to this angle here. So it starts here with 255 as red, and then it goes to 0, and it starts here from 0 to this value in red. That's the red value. And the same happens if we do, when we come to the blue stuff, then or when we come to the green stuff and we start there, then it starts here with 255. That's the green value, and it's from here this part is 0 and goes here from here to here. So this is always the green block. And what we see there is it calculates the software from the distance from beginning on the left edge to the right edge, or not to the edge, but to those to 1/3 of the entire circle, or the entire length of those sides. So this is the side of the actual width, and hey, I decided to do it in a rectangle, in rectangle form. Normally it's done in a real circle, because but it was a fast solution for me. And then I create a line, I've set some opacity. You may change the opacity of that line, for example, in here, yeah. And let's do it like this. And here's the thickness of the drawing line. And you may also, it also always creates a starting point and an end point. So this is like when you do it in XAML, you'll see always it starts from red and goes to 0, for example. Yeah, that's from the outside to the inside. And then I said, okay, normally it's from 0 to 1. But I decided that I am taking the brush mode as absolute, and so here's the value. The value here has to be, this is the starting point, and the color is not transparent, so it's drawing. The alpha is 0, and then it goes to how was it? Let's just check. No, that's the offset point. That's the offset point, but the alpha value is given in here. That's the point. Okay, so it calculates from 0 to where is the final point of the color. So that's the code. I took the code onto my website. This is my code document website. You find that code at that link. I add that link onto my site, and I've written it to Net Framework, WPF code samples, and here's the code. You may take that code. Here's the code, entire code, and you may use it in your own application.